Hello friends, welcome to my channel Control Panel Ideas. I am Pramod Pariyar. My topic is Transformer Bushing Operating Principle. My friends, ITI friends, technicians and technical work friends, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. So let's begin. Transformer bushing operating principle. In electric power, a bushing is an insulated device that allows an electrical conductor to pass safely through a grounded conducting barrier such as the case of a transformer or circuit breaker. This completely transformer, this HV condenser bushing, this LV condenser bushing, this HV lead, this core and coil, U phase, B phase and W phase. This tank, this core. So friends, main purpose bushings. This HV bushing, main terminal and inside lead connected. This LV, isolated full tank or bushings. Inside space, this inside oil. Number 1, all the transformer windings are connected with the high voltage lines. Therefore, that end connection of the transformer should be taken care in order to avoid flashover from the high voltage connection. Connect with the body of the transformer. Second point, connection for the cables are made in the cable boxes in the secondary side for low voltage distribution transformer, but in power transformer the both side of the transformer will be in high voltage. Since we need specially designed device which is called bushing. Point 3, bushing are consisting of current carrying part of conducting rod in the center. Bus or cable, a porcelain cylinder installed in a hole in a transformer. Cover and used for isolating the current carrying parts. Point 4, the simplex bushing is a molded high quality glassed porcelain insulator with throughout conductor its center. This bushing is used for voltage up to 33 kV indoor. Use have a smooth surface or slightly finished surface. Point 5, the outside upper part of the bushing used for transformers working outdoors in made with petticoats to protect the lower fins against water and rainy weather. This porcelain. This petticoats. Point 6. The bushing used for transformers having voltage above 36 kV are either oil filled or capacitor type. The oil filled bushing consists of a hollow two parts porcelain cylinder with a conductor, usually a cylinder passing throughout its axis. Point 7. The space between the conductor and the inner surface of the porcelain is filled with oil. The oil is contained separately from the oil in the transformer tank. This completely transformers this core inside LV coil, outside HV coil. This three-phase transformer. This HV bushing, this LV bushing, this tank, and inside oil. This 36 kV bushings. Point 8. The top of the bushing is connected to a small expansion chamber required to accommodate variation in the volume of the oil temperature. There is a provision for current transformer at the lower end of the bushing. Point 9. The arrangement is such that the bushing can be removed without disturbing the current transformer. The capacitor bushing is made up of layers of synthetic resin bonded paper SRBP interleaved with thin layers of metal foil for paper impregnated with conductant material. This bushing and this CT current transformer. Point 10. The result is a series of capacitors with a capacitor formed by two layers of metal foil with SRBH cylinder in between. The variation in length of metal foil and the thickness of SRBP cylinders is so arranged that there is a uniform distribution of dielectrics stress throughout the radial depth, i.e. along the radius of the bushing. This capacitor completely arrangement. Do you want any article related to electrical topic? Comment us with the topic name and we provide it for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.